One interesting question that I always receive is when you should be hiring employees or when you should get the hardwares, computer systems, dialers, infrastructure. So my answer to this question is you should not invest heavily in the beginning, period of the business. The first couple of months, you should definitely focus on client acquisition, digital marketing, content marketing, creating brand awareness. That's going to help you a lot to acquire more clients on board. And once you have a strong sales pipeline ready in 3, 4 months time, that is the best time that you should actually invest in your infrastructure or employees. Another reason that what I have seen is hiring employees is mostly dependent on the client's requirements because you cannot hire them in advance and then start your recurring cost immediately. So any recurring cost which is going to go up, you should try to avoid that. Bring the cost down in the early stages of the business. So mostly when clients are coming on board, they will be sharing with you job description and they will also be sharing with you the scope of the project. So based on the job description, you will understand that what kind of employees do you need, what are the skill sets that are needed, what is the qualification that they're looking at, your clients are looking at. So you will have a fair understanding before hiring employees. Second thing, the same thing applies even with the computer softwares, dialers, because you cannot invest in the computers and dialers and in any fancy equipments unless and until you have a clear understanding of the client's requirement. So make sure that you get proper details from the clients. Once you have a strong sales pipeline ready, you're having multiple meetings with your potential prospects, only then invest in employees or infrastructure or computers or any fancy stuff. So once you have a clear understanding from the potential clients about the job description and the requirements, then only you should invest in the infrastructure, computers, and hiring employees. For people who are new to the channel, my name is Ameya. I'm an offshoring consultant and I have come to San Francisco. I'm at San Francisco airport. I'm heading to Las Vegas to attend one contact center expo. I'll be filming a lot of videos over there as well. So stay tuned, be in touch, keep watching, share my videos, and also give a thumbs up and subscribe.